Okay, my friend, I want to do a little unboxing here with you and show you this little vertical antenna that I got mobile from DX Engineers here. It's been sitting here for some time, sometimes. All right, so let me open this up, move everything out of the way. This is the little Cloud Shack slash studios. My controller slash. All right, so anyway, let's take out the parts. Okay, so this is the diamond antenna. It's called a diamond SD330 here, screwdriver. It covers 3.5 all the way up to 30 or 7 to 50 megahertz, 200 watts PP, 2.5 pounds, and all that good stuff here. So that's what it looks like here. This is the mountain. This is the cable and the mounting brackets here for it. This is what it looks like. Electric auto. And you was talking about the mountain, the coil on the bottom. Let me take it out so you can see what a coil on the bottom looks like, okay? Okay, so I'll continue here. I took everything out. This is what this big monster looks like here. So, screwdriver antenna. This is how big this coil is in this thing. I don't know how. I don't have a measuring tool to measure it, but this is what it looks like here. All this goes up and down. Of course, you can see. So this is how this bad boy looks. This is the width for it. This, I guess, covers 80. This long one right up here, you take it out. And this is the one for the regular 40 stuff. This short one there. Right in the tip here. Little expansion cord here. And it goes to this little contraption here, which powers into your cigarette lighter. And it has a switch for up and down and tuning. Right here for adjusting inside the mobile. So this is what this is. Mounting kit for the outside of the car, your Jeep. See, it comes with that thick bracket in there. So this is what this one looks like, man. Had it here for almost over a year. Over a year plus. I haven't mounted it as yet. But this is the SD330. 200 watts. Fully electric. Mobile antenna 3.5. to 30 megahertz there, and here's the specs on it. Okay, so this is what this looked like. You was talking about a mounting coil, making it bigger. Yeah, I really think you should make it bigger. Look how big this is. I would say this is about, if I was to measure it with my finger, almost 3 inches, right? Yeah, almost 3 inches. That's a big bad boy right there. So yeah. So I just saw yours inside the mobile there. Juliet 69 X-ray. So I decided to show you this one. So when you get ready to change your coil, maybe you can make it as thick as that one right there. Alright. Little unboxing here. Victor Papa 2𝐻𝐻𝐿 here in the shack in the floor. With the diamond antenna. Of course, the diamond, they call this one the screwdriver antenna. Very, very well-known antenna. And stateside these guys use. So I've got it for the Jeep. And it's been down here for a while. Still ain't put this thing up in the air yet. But it's coming, man. It's coming. All right. And that's the specs right there on it in case. Well, here we go. That's the specs right there. In case you wanted to know. Alright. Hey, 73, man. See if I get this camera to turn around. I guess I don't want to turn around. So we'll just turn it around this way. Put all my bling bling on. This is Victor Papa 2𝐻𝐻𝐿 in the shack. Showing the little diamond antenna here. Peace, 73. Yep, 9 a.m. Repeat identifying. So this is what my shack look like back here. Alright guys. 73 from the shack of Victor Papa 2 Echo India Hotel. Peace. Peace, peace, peace. Have a great day. Alright. We'll get around to it one day. and mount it on the vehicle out there. But it's ready. 73. I actually did this for Mr. Stevens so he can take a look. I'm going to upload it to YouTube so he can have the link. 73 guys. Victor Papa 2 Echo Hotel here in Anguilla Island. 73 from Victor Papa 2 Echo India Hotel, Anguilla Island. Now you know. Now you know. Peace out. Have a wonderful day.